Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to package decals. So once you have them trimmed out, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to flip them over so that the graphic is facing down. You're going to roll them, but you want it to be quite loose, because if it's too tight, then this will get kind of crimped in it and it won't install as easily, so you want to make sure that you're rolling it with some space in there. Then you're going to take your poly tube, and you want to tie the ends rather than sealing them, because when they're sealed, sometimes they can pop open. And then if the customer is installing it, you're going to put a thank you sticker up top and then the work order below it. Since this one we are installing, I'm just going to put the work order on so that we know what job it's for.